Did you know that a single OBD scanner can save you hundreds of dollars at the dealership while giving you superpowers over your Land Rover? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast who wants to dig deep into engine codes, live data, and advanced diagnostics, or a professional mechanic who needs a reliable tool, picking the right OBD scanner tailored for Land Rover can completely change the way you maintain your SUV. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best OBD scanners for Land Rover, from simple plug-and-play readers to advanced systems that rival dealership tools. All the links are in the description, so you can grab your favorite as we go. Let's jump in. Number 5, OBD Mate OM501. Starting off strong, the OBD Mate OM501 is a beast for Jaguar and Land Rover owners who want dealer-level insights without the recurring service fees. This scanner goes beyond engine codes, reaching ABS, SRS, transmission, and chassis modules. Its rugged design and bright 2.8-inch color display make it easy to read anywhere, while plug-and-play functionality means no batteries required. In real-world use, it shines with tasks like registering a new battery or retracting electronic parking brakes, things that usually need a dealer visit. Unlike portable dongles like the Autel AP200 that rely on subscriptions, the OM501 offers free lifetime updates and a stable wired connection. Scans are fast, usually under a minute, and it pays for itself after just a couple of resets. What really sets it apart is the Land Rover-specific coverage. It can read advanced fault codes for modules most generic scanners ignore. For example, it handles air suspension diagnostics and can even perform key programming steps on certain models. If you're serious about DIY maintenance or want to minimize dealership trips, this is a no-brainer. Its only minor downside is that it's slightly bulkier than the pocket-sized dongles, but the trade-off in capability is more than worth it. Number 4, Ancel AD410 Enhanced. Next up, the Ancel AD410 is the perfect bridge between basic code readers and pricey professional tools. Designed for most 1996-plus vehicles, it offers full OBD-I functionality with a rugged yellow and black design and a crisp 2.8-inch color display. What makes it shine? The dedicated IM Readiness hotkey, live data graphs, and a built-in DTC library that translates codes into plain English. It's faster and more versatile than the Autel AL319, while still being budget-friendly under $50. The AD410 can record and play back live data, which is helpful for spotting intermittent faults, something many entry-level scanners lack. While it doesn't have the JLR-specific depth of the OM501, it's a universal all-rounder, perfect for drivers who want reliable diagnostics without breaking the bank. For example, if your Land Rover's engine light comes on due to a minor evap system issue, the AD410 can pinpoint it quickly, saving you from unnecessary guesswork. It also supports multiple reset functions, including oil and service light resets for common vehicles, adding extra value for DIYers who manage maintenance schedules themselves. Overall, it's the ideal middle ground scanner, not overly complex, but capable enough to tackle everyday issues with ease. Number 3, Foxwell NT301. For those serious about DIY maintenance, the Foxwell NT301 is a professional-grade handheld tool that dives deep into engine diagnostics. Supporting all 10 OBD-I service modes, including O2 sensor tests and evap leak tests, it's built tough with rubberized armor and a high-contrast 2.8-inch TFT screen. Its 3-stage LED alerts give instant emissions feedback, and dedicated hotkeys speed up IM readiness checks. Unlike the basic AL319, the NT301 logs data, graphs sensor readings, and even lets you print reports for your mechanic. This makes it a great tool for keeping detailed maintenance records or diagnosing recurring issues. It's especially useful for Land Rover owners who like to track performance trends over time, whether it's fuel efficiency, engine load, or coolant temperature. The NT301 can also help spot underperforming sensors before they trigger a full-blown check engine light, potentially saving you from costly repairs. While it doesn't reach the full system coverage of the OM501, the NT301 strikes a perfect balance for hands-on enthusiasts who want actionable data without dealing with dealership software. Its robust build and long-lasting battery make it reliable for both garage work and on-the-road diagnostics. Number 2. VDAG Tool VD10. The VDAG Tool VD10 is a no-nonsense, entry-level engine code reader that's perfect for owners who just want to quickly check the check engine light. Compact, lightweight, and powered directly through the OBD2 port, it delivers freeze-frame data, line streams, and over 3,000 DTC definitions. While it doesn't reset airbag or ABS lights like the OM501, it nails engine diagnostics at a fraction of the cost. Compared to the AD410, it's more streamlined and budget-friendly, making it ideal for households with multiple older vehicles or drivers who want a glove-box-ready emergency tool. What's great about the VD10 is its simplicity. There are no confusing menus or multiple screens. Just plug it in, read the code, and clear it if needed. It also supports multiple units of measurement, like kilometers per hour versus mph, making it versatile for owners who travel internationally. While it lacks advanced logging or graphing, its portability and speed make it perfect for quick troubleshooting or checking a vehicle before a long trip. It's the ultimate grab-and-go scanner for everyday drivers who want peace of mind without overcomplicating things. Number 1. Ansell AD310. Classic Enhanced. Topping our list is the Ansell AD310, often called the gold standard for entry-level scanners. It's fast, reliable, and covers almost all OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 onward. Its simple interface with 4-button navigation and clear backlit display makes checking and clearing engine codes a breeze. While it lacks professional-level system access like the NT301 or OM501, it excels at speed and simplicity, booting instantly without pairing issues and giving plain English explanations for all codes. Its robust design and lightweight frame make it ideal for keeping in the glove box. Ready for emergencies or roadside diagnostics. The AD310 also supports freeze-frame data, live data stream, and MIL status, which is usually enough for daily Land Rover maintenance. It's especially suited for first-time OBD users who want a straightforward tool without complicated features. For its price, under $35, it delivers exceptional value, allowing drivers to avoid unnecessary dealership visits and save money on routine checks. While it's not for full system troubleshooting, it's perfect as a reliable companion for engine and emissions diagnostics. Conclusion and winner. So which scanner takes the crown? If you want dealer-level depth specifically for Land Rover, the OBD-Mate OM501 is unbeatable with its all-system access, free updates, and robust design. But if you're after a universal, budget-friendly option for everyday checks, the Ansell AD310 or VDAG Tool VD10 are fantastic choices. The Foxwell NT301 is perfect for DIY mechanics who want extra data logging and advanced troubleshooting, while the Ansell AD410 balances price and capability for casual users. Ultimately, the best choice depends on how deeply you plan to dive into diagnostics, but investing in any of these top picks ensures you'll save time, money, and headaches in the long run. What do you think about these picks? Have you tried any of them on your Land Rover? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our vehicle tech reviews. All the links are in the description below.